Hello, welcome to chapter 2 of the Dakia.com training series. In this chapter, we will understand what eligibility and necessary requirements are needed to join Dakia.com. Let's understand step by step. First, eligibility. Your age must be at least 18 years. You should have a place from where courier operations can be done easily. Even if it's small, it should be functional and safe. You only need to provide 2 guarantors whose basic verification will be done. You can run this business from your existing shop, but a few things are necessary: a computer or laptop, a printer and webcam, a government approved digital weighing scale that is accurate in grams, a measuring tape in centimeters, a basic table chair setup, a CCTV camera system which must have recordings saved for 60 days from the time operations begin. You must have a cycle, bike or a car. And yes, for a bike or car, a driving license is mandatory. Now, let's talk about documentation. To join Dakia.com, you need 3 types of documents: KYC documents, PAN card and Aadhaar card; shop documents, proof of ownership or rent agreement of the shop; security and agreement documents, police clearance certificate, that is PCC, and Dakia.com franchise agreement. Now, let's talk about the GST requirement. A very common question from agents joining us is, if GST registration is mandatory? The simple answer is, if your booking revenue in a financial year is less than rupees 20 lakhs, then GST is not required. If your revenue crosses rupees 20 lakhs in a year, then GST registration becomes mandatory. So friends, if you have a basic setup, little time and the drive to grow, then with Dakia.com, you can turn your shop into a courier booking center and become a digital courier partner. The next chapter will be about exclusions, in which we'll learn which items cannot be couriered. See you in the next chapter. Till then, keep learning.